Hey guys, so today I will show you the Japanese hair care secrets for growing healthy long hair. Now the first one is the rice water rinse. Now rice water is used since the Heian period. The court ladies famously used rice water or yusuru to maintain their long healthy black hair. Now this tradition beauty ritual involved washing hair in nutrient-rich starchy water left over from rinsing rice to strengthen, smoothen, and improve hair luster, because rice water is rich in amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that help strengthen hair. It also improves elasticity, reduces breakage, and adds natural shine. Now, of course, how to use this: you just soak the rice, you strain the water, and just use it on your hair. Now, there's an option as well to ferment it for 24 hours if you want to. So use this as a final rinse after shampoo. And also you guys can try the Japanese hair secrets to long-lasting, straight, soft, and silky hair. Now all you need is to just cook the rice and then blend it. And then after that, strain it and then add a slurry. It's basically just water and cornstarch that is mixed. You pour it in the little porridge that you made and then cook it again until you get this paste-like consistency, and then you just apply it on your hair if you want to have a natural keratin treatment at home. It will actually make your hair feel very soft and smooth after. Alright, number 2 is using a camellia oil or tsubaki oil. Now, the camellia oil, a traditional Japanese beauty oil which is rich in oleic acid and antioxidants, to where it deeply moisturizes, smooths frizz, and protects hair from damage. Now, how to use this: you can apply a few drops to damp hair or dry hair and use it as a leave-in or a scalp oil. Now this tsubaki oil is actually really great to use if your hair is extremely dry. This is what is saving my hair right now from the extreme hot weather in my country. I mix it with some of my oils that sometimes I use on my scalp, or sometimes I just simply use it just on the bottom part of my hair, just to prevent it from dryness. Alright, and the next one is the green tea scalp care. Now, green tea is packed with antioxidants that can help reduce shedding and support scalp health. It also helps soothe irritation and balance the scalp. Of course, how to use this: you just brew and cool it and use it as a scalp rinse or spray. Alright, number 4 is the scalp first philosophy. Now, Japanese hair care focuses on the scalp as the foundation of healthy hair. So gentle cleansing, minimal buildup, and regular scalp massage are key. Now think of this as a healthy scalp equals to a healthy hair growth. Number 6 is following the wooden comb ritual. Traditional wooden combs are used to gently detangle the hair, and they also help distribute natural oils from the scalp to ends. So it results in shinier, healthier looking hair. Okay, so you guys, I've also researched their nutrition. Like, what is it that the Japanese people have been eating that makes their hair like that? Because not only it's genetics, I think it's really embedded also in their diet. Now, I know some people who are either Filipino OFWs or friends who have worked there, lived there for a while, came back here, and one thing that I do notice is that their hair got better and their skin got better. So I'm like, there must be something in the air, you know, or probably in their food, especially what they're eating, and it's also probably because of the change of diet there as well. Okay, so in the area of nutrition, they drink green tea. Now, we all know green tea is rich in powerful antioxidants that may help reduce hair thinning and support healthier hair follicles. It also improves circulation, helping nutrients reach the scalp more efficiently. And typically how they use it, they say that they drink it twice a day. Alright, number 2 is they also eat, or their diet includes, seaweeds. Now, seaweeds provides iodine, iron, zinc, and traces of minerals that are essential for hair growth and scalp health. It supports thyroid function, which actually plays a key role in hair thickness and growth cycles. Now, the common types, of course, are those nori, in soups, rice, and side dishes. And also number 3, this is actually something also that I noticed that I eat more of, is eating soy-based foods, which is actually great for protein plus hormone balance. Soy foods are rich in plant protein, which supports keratin production, your hair main structure. Tofu also may help support hormonal balance, important for reducing hair thinning. And of course, for their daily staples, you have tofu, miso soup, and natto. Alright, and number 4 is they include a lot of fish on their diets, most especially salmon. Now, fatty fishes are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that can help reduce inflammation and nourish the scalp. They support shinier and stronger hair and may help reduce dryness and breakage. So typically in a Japanese diet, frequent fish intake equals consistent hair nourishment. Alright, and number 5 is balanced meals. Now, Japanese meals are typically balanced: carbs, protein, and vegetables, which helps maintain stable blood sugar. Stable energy level supports consistent nutrient delivery to hair follicles. So less extreme dieting equals better long-term hair health. Okay, so now let's talk about Japanese hair care products. Now, personally, for me, I've tried their Tsubaki, the shampoo and the conditioner. However, it was just given to us by my brother-in-law's cousin because she lives in Japan. So it was kind of like one of those pasalubong that she gave us. So me and my sister tried it. I actually do like its effect on my hair, but I gave it to my sister just because she needs it most, because she is dyeing her hair. But overall, it just helped her hair recover from dryness and damage from dyeing it. Okay, now so here are the hair care products that I'm referring to, and this is one of the most iconic Japanese hair care products because of its use of the Camellia oil for deep moisture and shine, which is great for dry, frizzy, or damaged hair, and also the Fino Premium Touch Hair Mask, which is a viral deep conditioning mask that deeply repairs damaged, dry, or bleached hair, known for making hair soft and glossy. The one thing I really do like about and have observed with Japanese hair care products is that they are all lightweight, even in their skincare, and you could really tell that your hair is like absorbing every bit of it. If you guys are looking for treatments for dry and damaged hair, definitely go for Japanese hair care products. So that is it, you guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to a friend if you found this content valuable. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!